Thanks for sending your question. Before we begin to solve what's in the argument of this logarithm on the left over here, let's go ahead and see if there's any simplification we can do. Well, it looks like we have a log base 2 to the 4, which looks complicated, but it's just a number. This number is equal to whatever we have to raise the whatever we have to exponentiate the little number 2 to get the big number 2. In other words, I have to take this twice to get 4. So 2 to the second to get 4. So log base 2 to the 4 is just equal to 2. I'm going to go ahead and write down the rest of the equation as is and carry this all down. We can go ahead and subtract 2 from both sides to get 3 on the right hand side. And let's go ahead and divide that 3 out of both sides. So we'll divide both sides by 3 so that we get log base 2 of x minus 1 on the right and 1, or on the left, and then 1 on the right. So now that everything is simplified, we are going to solve for x by exponentiating both sides of this equation. That means I'm going to look at what the base of the logarithm is, so it's base 2. And I'm going to raise both sides using a base of 2. So 2 to the log base 2 of x minus 1 is equal to 2 to the 1. 2 to the log base 2 of x minus 1 is just equal to x minus 1. That's one of the rules of logarithms you learn. So x minus 1 is equal to 2 to the 1, which is just 2. And we can then just solve this like an algebra equation. So it looks like x is equal to 3. And that's your final answer for this problem. Thanks again for your question, and I look forward to answering more of your questions using Snap Math in the future.